What's up, managers? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with an opportunity to make money online as a freelance copywriter at a company called Coalition Technologies. For this role, you are able to work from anywhere in the world remotely. Okay, so you'll be working online remotely from anywhere in the world as a copywriter. Now, if you look in the top left corner of your screen, you'll see that it's 1:35. It's actually 1:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 13th, 2021. Time is going quickly. The year is almost at an end, and maybe you can end it with a wonderful opportunity to make money online. Now, at this time, this video was posted 21 hours ago. All right, so get on it, apply quickly, so you can be in the running for this position. Now, coalitiontechnologies.com, they're a digital agency, and they've actually gone through 19,478,369 e-commerce transactions, 5,621,177 qualified leads, and 700 plus case studies. All right, you want to know more about them? You can look at their reviews. Okay, web design, they do SEO, case studies. You can contact them, and of course, you can create a profile by signing up. Okay, so they do. If you look here, they do SEO, PPC, which is paid per click, web design. So they're a SEO, PPC, web design services company. All right, right there. Boom. Now, we want to learn more about this lead and about what this opportunity has to offer. So we'll jump back to this, to the actual information that they provided. Okay, so this is the kind of person they're looking for. The ideal copywriter has excellent English writing skills and is excited to write high quality, SEO driven content that aligns with detailed, client specific guidelines. Projects most commonly include writing web pages for e commerce and lead generation business sites such as category pages, product descriptions, and blog posts. Our clientele is constantly evolving. We produce content for these and many other industry verticals. So, fashion, both mass market and luxury, skincare and beauty, tech and software, finance and investing, law, specifically family law, product liability, divorce, etc., education. And if you notice, a lot of these have these little asterisks next to them. There's a bit more detail lower, so we'll look at that when we get there. Education, home improvement, automobiles and motorcycles. So OEM and aftermarket accessories. OEM means original equipment manufacturer. Okay, so if you drive a Honda, then the OEM part would be from Honda. Aftermarket accessories would be from third-party companies. So there are companies. So let's say you bought your car with the rims with the Honda logo on them, made by Honda. Aftermarket accessories would be rims made from companies like, I think there's one called Volk, and there's so many. BBS, for example. Can you tell I'm into cars? All right. Health and wellness, medical or clinical, digital marketing, SEO, PR, advertising, and marketing. Now, back to the asterisks. Writers with a background in these highly specialized fields are strongly encouraged to apply. So if you have expertise in those specific areas, tech and software, right? Tech and software, finance and investing, law. I'll have to clear this. Okay. SEO, PR, advertising, marketing, medical, clinical, health and wellness. If you have specific skills in these areas, they want you. Definitely. Like right now, they'll just eat you up. Now, the ideal candidate for this position is a multifaceted, technical, and creative writer with at least 2 to 4 years of professional, non-academic experience. So not experience from school or writing in college or stuff like that. Not school work like assignment, but actual in-field work for a company. Okay. Candidates should understand how to write content that effortlessly blends SEO, best practices, and brand priorities for finished work that's engaging, creative, and ROI driven. Candidates should also be willing and able to complete careful research in order to gain a strong understanding of various industries. Candidates should be prepared to provide portfolios featuring published work. Once an offer has been extended, writers will be asked to take a brief training course. Now, compensation, and this is important. A lot of times, a lot of the leads that I post, they don't give this information, and I say it's great because you can negotiate. So if they wanted to originally give you $15 per task, you could actually negotiate up to 20 or 25. But in this case, they are actually giving a base indicator or base salary indicator. Now, writers are paid on a per word basis. The rate is assessed according to our KPI rubric. The highest available rate is $22.50 per page of 500 words for outstanding work. So it's $22.50 per page of 500 words. Right? Not just crap words, outstanding work. Right? Most writers who have been with Coalition Technologies for 1 year see an average rate of $18 per page of 500 words. This is a freelance contract position, and if you're interested in applying, press this button. What that will do, it will open the application page where you'll fill in your name, first name, last name, email address, phone number, preferred contact method. You enter how you found them. So you can say other or social media. And if they ask further, you could simply say YouTube. And if they ask for the specific channel, it's the Internet Income Ninja. Wink, wink. So here, you'll now upload your resume. Resume here. Here you'll upload your cover letter. Do some security checks to make sure you're not a robot. Press this button and press the Apply Now button, and everything will be submitted. Now, if you're worried that you don't have a resume, there's a link in the description to a free website called Canva. Canva has hundreds of templates that you literally just fill the blanks in. Download the file when you're done, and you can add it here in your application. Easy peasy. Now, guys, we've come to the end. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you guys being here, and you can show your appreciation, if you do, by hitting the subscribe button, smashing the notification bell, like, comment, and share. And the best part is, it's free to do so, but it could make you hundreds, thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. Because additionally to the things I share, you can check other links that are in the description below. And in those links, you can learn how to set up automated businesses. You can get free books. You can get access to products that could help in other areas of life. So check the links in the description. If something tickles your fancy, click it, check it out. They are affiliate links, and they do offer me a kickback should you actually purchase something. It doesn't change the price for you. It's the same price you would pay if you were to go to the actual website. I just get a kickback from the purchase because of me promoting the product and actually putting in work to get this product out to you. So let me know what you think about these links. Let me know what you think about this lead. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and happy holidays to you guys. Peace.